Mabuang mo siya.
I'm not calling you a hoe.
Hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Karren. You say they say that it's in the Philippines, you do beso when you welcome your friend from other place. Yeah, we make beso in Europe. That's nice. So they won't say I'm an easy girl, okay? Then after that we shake hands, and then we do nose to nose. And then after nose to nose, cheek to cheek. And then chin to chin. And then chest to chest. After that, we do bird to bird. No, my bird is at the back. Or bird. You naughty. Okay. I just want to talk to you because when I was singing a while ago, you were there and you were like having fun, and I like you. Are you married?
Yes.
Are you married to a Filipino?
Yes.
Is she here?
He is.
He.
Yes.
Oh. So there he is. Oh, hi kapatid. I'm so happy I'm so happy for you to have found the perfect match for you.
Thank you.
You're very lucky to have a Filipino partner in life.
I agree.
Yeah, because Filipinos are very nice.
Yes.
How do you find the Philippines?
I love it here.
And how do you find the Filipinos or the Magateños in particular?
Yes! They're great.
They're great. Oh, you should say so, or else you will go home bleeding. So how long have you been here?
1 year.
You live here?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Can I have your passport? Oh, can you show me the money? This is the immigration. How long have you been together? What's your partner's name?
Gerome.
Oh, is he from Dumaguete?
No, he's from Bulasan.
He's from Bulacan, and you live here.
Yes.
Okay.
I had to get away from his parents. Oops.
Come again?
No, I didn't say that.
Okay. Have you visited, the beautiful places here in the Philippines? Like Boracay, have you been there?
Boracay, no.
Oh, you should go there. Have you been to Dakar? In Dapitan, in Mindanao?
No.
Oh, you should go there. I love the cock.
It's nice.
I love the cock. I'm sure you will love the cock. I swallow the cock. I sit on the cock. Oh, can I see the cock? Charlie, what do you want to say to Gerome? Since you're here and this is, I feel that this is
I love you.
Love. Do you know how to speak Bisaya? You say maayong gabi. You say maayong gabi to them.
Mahayang gabi.
Mahayang ko na mahayang gabi. Maayong gabi. Okay. Do you know how to say I love you in Tagalog? Do you know?
No, I don't.
Okay, you say mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Very good. There's another way of saying I love you in Tagalog. It's iniirog. You say.
She's already laughing.
No, it's another way of saying I love you. Iniirog kita. Iniirog
Irog
kita.
kita.
Iniirog kita.
Iniirog kita.
Okay. There's another way of saying I love you. It's iniibig kita.
iniibig kita.
Fast learner. But the best way to say I love you in Tagalog is chupain. Chupain mo ko. Say chupain mo ko. Listen! Chupain mo ko. Okay. Charot lang. Ay, alam mo, this is educational kasi di ba, ang word na chupa ay Spanish word for the word sucking, di ba? Kitang tanan ni suck sa atong breast sa mga mama. So ni chupa ng tanan, no, di ba? So I don't think there's a harm or it's bastos, but gumay na sa Gerome. Gerome, no? Okay, so what do you do? What do you do for a living?
I was a special education teacher.
You know, I have high respect and I salute you. And I have high respects to teachers like you. Palakpakan nyo naman siya, guys. It's really hard. It's really hard to teach people with disabilities or like, you know, the special children that have special needs, right? And you are retired now.
I am retired.
Okay, so are you enjoying your life in the Philippines?
I am very much so. Having a blast.
Do you have money there? Joke only. Ay, 20 naman ni Kwarta sa imuhang ko. Ay, yakin niya, yate. Guys, palakpakan niyo naman and get your special prize there.
Thank you. Salamat.
Okay, burger. Bye! At tayo, tigwang nga eh. Sabihan ko din na dito mo, gahit. Gahit na lang ubod. Okay, kinahanglan ko og tulo ka lalaki.